Let's now go over to the login component class and let's create the objects we need to bind to the HTML. First off, we wanted a user property that's of the type app user. Press Tab to import. Create a new instance of that app user object. We also are going to temporarily add our security object that is of the type app user auth. Again, hit Tab. And make sure you set this one to null. If you remember, we want it to be null when we first come in so that this p tag is not displayed. Only after we hit the login button do we want this to show up if the user typed in an invalid username or password. To be able to get this security object, we need to get and use the security service. So let's create a private property here that we can get by using our security service and using Angular injection to have it automatically inject the security service for us. And inside of here, right now that we've got that, we can now add a login method inside of this login component class. So this one, we just simply use our security service, call the login method, passing in this .user. Remember, that's going to be bound with the username and the password that we get from the user. And as long as everything happens okay in the subscribe, we're going to get a response back that we can then simply say this .security object is equal to our response object that we get back. Pretty darn simple. So there's our whole component that is now matched up to the HTML page.